Hi Lucas, how you doing? Okay, I've got your file up. We'll take a look at that in 1 second. I was reading your writing here. You know what? I've got your PDF up in a separate window here, so I want to go ahead and take a look at it. And I think that at this point, I will go ahead and say I don't want to sound discouraging, but this iteration of the ad is I think it's really underdeveloped. This should be a near complete ad. And one of the things I'm seeing, Lucas, honestly, one of the things I'm seeing I'm have you been looking at the videos, the tutorial videos? Let me jump over to the announcements area. Now, in each weekly announcement, for example, this is welcome to Module 2. In each weekly announcement, I've got many videos. For example, here's how to complete assignment 2-1. Here's how to complete assignment 2-2. Here's how to embed your images. Week 1's got several. Here's how to zip your compressed folders. I mean, just everything in the class is demonstrated in videos located in the announcements area. And the reason I'm saying that, and again, I don't want to sound discouraging, so if you have viewed it, please excuse me, but it looks to me like you haven't viewed this video right here, how to complete assignment 2-2 page composition activity, create basic magazine page file for the final project. That shows you how to place one of the logos from the style guide. This isn't one of the logos. This is a component of one of the logos. So if you take a look at that video, you'll see exactly how to place one of the exact logos in this particular ad. Now, I think one of the things I saw, this is a PDF, so all the images are embedded, but when you submitted the AI file, the images weren't embedded. So again, that points to this video right here, how to embed placed images in your Illustrator files. Really important stuff. Then, if we go over to Module 3, excuse me, I've got a couple of videos here, really super important, actually. Right above Welcome to Milestone 3, this is how to complete Milestone 1. And here's just a complete rundown on how to complete Milestone 1, including a step-by-step video tutorial. So I would like you to review those. Also, don't hesitate to jump over to the announcements page of the specific announcement where I have all of the examples of successful campaigns from previous students. Study these, Lucas. Really take a look at these and study them and see what is common in all of these. And these would all be considered high A work. So it's really a great idea to take a look at these to determine what makes these excellent examples of the work. And I think it's, for the most part, it's just this really outstanding synergy between image and type. And we're not seeing that here. Right now, this looks like a series of elements that have been placed on a page. And again, I don't want to sound discouraging, but it seems like these have just been randomly placed on a page. So I recommend studying those examples. Now, my recommendation is to use one main background image, headline, subhead, paragraph of body copy explaining the promotion, logo, contact information, and then your masked image somewhere in that. And again, just take a look at these examples for examples of how to place the masked image successfully. Okay, so again, I think that the assignment is pretty underdeveloped at this time. So if you need help, please let me know. I'll be glad to provide help. And just all you got to do is say the word, and I'm right here. So I would like you to continue work on this. And you know, it's a really good, neat thing to do as well is go through this discussion board and go through several of the other, I leave a video for every student. So there's probably 8 or 10 in there. Take a look at those. They're in a public forum. They're there for your own personal edification. Feel free to look at as many critiques as you can. It's quite likely that a lot of the comments that are made in your peers' video critiques are going to be applicable to your own work, and therefore you can pick up more tips and more recommendations for improvement and for the successful submission of this assignment. So again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if I can clarify anything, please let me know, and please allow me to work with you here. If there's anything I can do to help you understand and to really expedite the process, please let me know. At this point, I would say that we really want to concentrate on moving forward. We're going to be transitioning into the web banner concept development and implementation very soon. So I'd like to get the magazine ad tucked away and complete by the time we start that. So please, again, let me know if there's anything I can do to help you along. Thank you, Lucas.